Okay, we have coffee rice, and sugar, sugar, then cup, mug empty, then cold water. The first to mix, we mix mm, rice coffee. Rice coffee is rice coffee. Then we add water, cold water. You means cold water, not cold with ice. It is water, cold water. First cold water, we liquid 4 tablespoon of water. 4 tablespoon of water, not much of water of like that, like that, like that. We mix, we mix, not much. Mix, okay, mix. If you see the what the mixture is, it's like this, it's like this. Just only a little time, just only a seconds only you liquidize, okay? Then we add hot water, okay? We add water, okay? We add sugar, sugar. Wait, sugar. We add sugar. We add sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Then after that, we add sugar. It is cold water, mineral water with or anything water like a mineral, and not coming from the ref. It is coming from the box. And hot water. Add hot water. You see, the mixture is very good. That is a rice coffee. That is a rice coffee. Okay, that is a rice coffee.